Okay, just tighten up this phone mount really quick. Trying to get it nice and tight. We gotta push this up a little bit further because the charger is just hitting it. Okay. Now, let's raise this up. At least with the phone mount, you guys better see what I'm doing. Yeah. Got the rice. This is pretty good. This is definitely really different kind of ramen soup. But you get a little bit more flavor in this. Got the chicken. Having that vault vinaigrette, the vinegar in there, seasoned, well, nicely seasoned. Definitely taste that sauce. That sauce is savory, nice and savory. I would suggest getting one of these again. Another Jello. I mean, I'll eat Jello for hydration if I have to. Like if I eat it to have something to drink. Okay. These. What I usually do if you don't have a spoon, hey, just push it out. Boom, simple as that. All right, we're some of the videos I have on the phone. Let's see how much time I have into the video. I have about there's 2 minutes left. 2 minutes in the video. Let's turn this around. Actually, it'd be better to turn it around because I can see it. Being able to position it right is the key. Is the key. That's the key to being a YouTuber, is content. Sure, try it up. 100% HD quality. You know, YouTube works for me. It works for me whatever I do because it's easy. You just have to be consistent, be motivated, get those videos out there. Don't let people bring you down. Fuck people. All they want to do is be negative. All I say is hide from your channel. If it's really ignorant ass comment, report it as if it affects you. And that affects the people around you. It affects your channel. I try to provide a safe environment for YouTube. That's what I do. Hey, I keep this going. The review videos. Sometimes the spoon's really good to get all the way to the bottom of that. That's done. Whew. When I eat, I'll eat a lot as my metabolism burns off so many calories. I've had really nothing to eat today either. Anyways, but burritos in the morning. Eat it all. Eat it all. Ah. My sauce is good. Oh, shit. That's fire. That is the end of the video. You know, these, I'll buy 10 of these, 20 of these if I have to, just to have fried rice. Because that fried rice is good. That's probably the best kind of microwave meal that you can get out there. Simple and easy. Alright. We're done with that. I'll catch you guys on the other videos like this one. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys. Peace out. Have a good day. Have a good night.